I think it's time to teach our cartoon heroes to talk, especially as it can be done quite easily. Here I have a little funny video lesson in which our cartoon experts tell you about how we are making animation of speech.
They often ask me how to make the animation of speech. I always answer that nothing is easier than the animation of speech, but nobody believes me. That's why I decided to make this lesson. And so, in order to make the speaking mouse, you just download from the download section of our website video file speech AVI. If you play this video file using any video player, you'll see that it's just a big talking mouse, chatting incessantly. Now you just need to put that mouse on the character face, fit its size and bind it to the head, so that mouse was moving along with the head. And now your cartoon character talking so that you are facing a problem. How to get it shut up? To make your character cease talking, it is enough to make its mouth invisible. You can do this by using the opacity parameter. When the opacity equal to 0, the mouse becomes completely transparent and invisible. Once again set the opacity parameter value to 100% and the mouse will appear again and will continue to talk. But make your mouse visible and invisible just in one frame. In this frame it is visible and in the next it's gone. Similarly, make it visible. Here we cannot see any mouse, but in the next frame it has already appeared. In this case we do not need any smooth appearance and disappearance. And what if your cartoon hero is standing sideways to us, and mouse must also be seen from the side? Then we can use the same file speech AVI, but part of the image should be cut using a mask. The mask is a great tool. Take pen tool and trace the contour. All that is outside your drawn path becomes invisible, and we get such a wonderful mouse in profile. For recording and editing sounds, you can use any sound editor available to you. Personally, I use Adobe Audition, which is in downloads of our website. Connect a microphone to the computer, run Audition, press the red button to start recording. Recite your text. Then press the red button again to start recording. Let's go to the effects. Normalize to level the volume. Remove all unnecessary sounds. And then you can experiment with the stretch effect to get the funny cartoon voice. Save your file. That is actually the whole process of voicing. Now export to After Effects and through on the timeline. Open waveform for your sound, and you will immediately see where the mouse should speak and where it should be quiet. And in the end, you certainly have a question. How is it that Eric turned to Stan and Kyle? The answer is very simple. It was my want, that's all.